The idea was simple: escape the daily grind and reconnect with nature and each other. It was early Saturday morning when the friends packed their bags and piled into cars, the excitement palpable in the air. The drive itself was therapeutic, with the scenery gradually shifting from concrete buildings to rolling hills and dense forests. As we approached the estate, the sight of the colonial-era bungalow took our breath away. It stood majestically amidst towering trees and manicured gardens, with a view that stretched across miles of verdant rubber plantations. The air was crisp, and the sound of birds chirping replaced the usual honking of cars. It was as if they had stepped into a different world, a world where time slowed down and worries seemed to melt away. The bungalow itself was a blend of old-world charm and modern comfort. After settling in and relaxing for a while, we headed outside to play a friendly game of cricket in the soft evening breeze. Just as the game was heating up, dark clouds rolled in, and a sudden downpour drenched the grounds. We retreated inside, where the cozy atmosphere of the bungalow wrapped us in warmth. As night fell, we fired up the barbecue and grilled a delicious feast. The air was filled with the mouth-watering aroma of grilled meats and veggies. We gathered around for a hearty dinner, followed by drinks, laughter, and dancing, making memories that would last a lifetime. Later, as the clock struck midnight, we decided to jump into the pool. The cool water was refreshing, and we swam and joked under the starry sky, relishing the rare moment of freedom and fun. The next morning, we woke up early to a breathtaking view of the mist-covered hills, the air fresh with the scent of rain. After soaking in the beauty, we made our way back to the pool for one last swim before packing up. By afternoon, it was time to head back home, our hearts full from the adventures shared with old friends.